to become $10, I think we've gone too far. So good, best coffee I've ever made. I know content creators like to pretend like their life is always perfect. If you promise not to make fun of me, I'll make a playlist. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and I'm in desperate need of a reset. I got my period. My DJI vlogging camera broke, so I had to go buy another one. And my plumbing exploded in my closet. Everything got wet. I had to move everything around, and then they came in to fix it, made a big hole and a big mess, but they won't come back until tomorrow to actually patch up the hole and fix the plumbing. Normally I try and clean a lot earlier in the morning, that way I can enjoy a clean apartment in the afternoon. But I got my period and the last thing I wanted to do, honestly, was get out of bed. I felt like I dragged myself out of bed to do this, and I'm not the happiest person right now, but I feel like I have to get this done, otherwise I'm gonna regret it tomorrow and the next day. I'm gonna have to do this eventually. Someone has to do it, and unfortunately that someone is me. I think I can knock this out in 2 hours, because anything more than 2 hours is a little much for my little apartment. Okay, so for the coffee, I think I'm gonna do this dark chocolate sauce. I have this chocolate flavored syrup that's 0 sugar, but I think I wanna do, or at least I wanna drizzle the sauce and then maybe put the syrup. I think that's a good drizzle. No, that's the worst drizzle ever actually. And then pour my coffee into it. I learned that you should do the coffee and everything first before you put in the ice so that it's delicious. I don't know. Then I'm gonna use this raspberry syrup. I wanted to make a homemade syrup, but then the raspberries are like $5 at the store, which I personally think is ridiculous right now, so I'm just not gonna buy it. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of raspberry syrup. Wait, I want to show you my measuring spoon. I got this like during Christmas time, and it's like a little gingerbread. I'm obsessed with anything gingerbread, and so like I would just go to like Home Goods and pick up anything with a gingerbread on it. Okay, so we did 2. I think 2 might be enough. I hope it's enough because I don't want to do any more. Right, so I got a straw. I'm gonna mix it all up. I think doing the drizzle kind of ruined my cup aesthetic, so because I wanted to give it like this really cute foam, so I'm gonna transfer this into another cup, and now I just have 1 more cup to clean. You're gonna see what I'm talking about, and you're gonna get why I feel like I had to transfer cups, because there's just this thing that I'm trying to accomplish right now, and it's gonna be the cutest thing ever, trust me. In this frother, I'm gonna add a little more raspberry syrup, honestly just for color, and then I'm gonna add, I normally will measure all of this out, but today's just not one of those days where I'm on my shit. Honestly, I'm a gym rat up until a point, you know, like I'm a health conscious person up until a point, and this week is just not my week to just sit there and worry about the calories and a little bit of creamer. That's for another day, another lifetime where I did have like the worst week ever. And then, so we're gonna do a little milk. I've been using the Fairlife one recently. No particular reason. It's just the one I picked up. I don't know. I also have almond milk because I wanted to try almond milk for the first time. I've never had almond milk. I know, sounds crazy because I feel like everybody has had almond milk. Not me. So while that's frothing up, I'm gonna add a little creamer to my coffee. I think that's a good color, right? It's okay. Perfect. Okay. I'm gonna froth this 1 more time actually. Okay. Now we wait. I think this is done frothing, and I'm gonna show you how cute my coffee is about to look, and I'm really excited because this tastes amazing. I've never made it this good. I'm gonna be so honest with y'all. I've really never made it this good, but this is the best that it's ever turned out. It's all cute and pink. And then I'm gonna top it off with freeze-dried strawberries, but I'm gonna crumble it. Ta-da! It's so cute. It is so good. Best coffee I've ever made. So my kitchen is the center of my apartment, so I'm gonna clean that up first, just because I feel like if I start anywhere else and walk into my kitchen and it's still a mess, I'm gonna feel like I accomplished nothing, and I'm probably gonna go back into bed because that's just how it goes. I'm gonna play some music just so the time can go by faster. You guys ask me to make a playlist all the time, and honestly, as much as I want to, my music taste is kind of here and there. Like, I listen to music from all over the world. I really honestly don't care what they're saying in the song. I listen to music just for like the vibe and the beat, and so my music taste is like everywhere, and I feel like you guys are gonna make fun of me if I make a playlist for you guys. But if you promise not to make fun of me, I'll make a playlist. I take promises really seriously. I've never told a lie. And if you promise me that you're not gonna make fun of me and I share my playlist and you guys make fun of me, we can't be friends anymore. Let's get this reset started.
Is anybody going with me? If I go tonight, I doubt the world will change. I just pray they don't forget my name. These are game rules I can't lose. When it's all said and done, will I still be cool? Spent like, come on, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. How much I'ma spend profiling? She come in and compliment my closet. Fuck her on the floor like I don't give a fuck about it. The judgment get clouded when you clouded. My opposition wish I'd stop smiling. My family wish I'd stop wildin'. I'm still on the east side smoking with my OGs. 'Cause they the only ones that really know me. I was fucking superstars when I was 19. Shit we did, you won't believe me. Now I'm at the turn up looking lonely. Then they wonder why I'm quiet at them house parties.
Okay, I just finished cleaning my kitchen, and not because I'm a slow cleaner, but honestly just because my cramps were killing me and I needed a Midol, I needed to chill, and so it took me a pretty long time to get my kitchen clean. But before I clean the rest, I wanted to show you guys what I ordered yesterday. I got these little ceramic fruit bowls. Fruit already come in bowls, right? But this is just so cute. This is an unnecessary purchase, and in some ways it is overconsumption, but at least I can be honest with myself. And yeah, I thought this was really cute. They're adorable. So they come in a pack of 4, these 2, and then these 2. And then I also got a little egg organizer. And then I think I told you guys that my DJI camera broke. You guys asked me a lot what I film on. Right now I'm filming on my Sony A7C. But whenever I go out, I film on my DJI. I don't know, I took it to LA and I came home and it was broken. I have it in a case and everything. I honestly don't know what happened, but it is what it is. Things happen and whatever, let's move on. So I think I have some grapes, strawberries, and blueberries that I'm gonna put in this. And then we're gonna open some packages and finish cleaning. I'm honestly, I think I can do the rest in an hour. I know I said I can do everything in 2 hours and it's been an hour and a half already, but I think my cramps are under control. I'm kind of in a vibe right now, and I think I can do the rest in an hour. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, I also got this glass. It's like, it has these little cute fruit in it, and then the rim is yellow. I have another one. Where is it? Okay. Yeah, so I got these. And so this one has like little strawberries, and then I think this one is my favorite just because I like that the rim also has color, and so they're little lemons with a colorful rim. That's so cute. I found this at TJ Maxx, and I was specifically looking for the one with cherries and not the one with lemon. But the lady that was checking me out, she had one of the cherry ones, and she was like, oh, do you like lemons? I have a cherry one back there. So in my head, I'm thinking she's offering me the cherry one. Someone left it behind, someone didn't want to buy it, they returned it or something. And I'm like, oh my God, can I have it? I was looking for the cherry one. And then she said no. She said, no, that's mine. And so it was kind of awkward, but I was like, oh, okay. I thought, whatever. I just left. I just bought my lemon and left. I really think she was trying to brag about the fact that she found the cherry one, or she really likes cherries and she wanted to let me know. But it was really cute, and I still got my lemon, and then I ended up finding this strawberry one. I wish I had the colorful rim, but I'm still really happy with my purchase. Eggs are honestly hard to come by, and I don't think I'm gonna be buying eggs as often, because when eggs become $10, I think we've gone too far. Like, honestly, the fact that they're like 10 bucks, I'm sorry. And then everywhere I go, eggs are out of stock. That's a little, I don't like the world we're living in right now, but isn't this so adorable? They just look more cute like this. The fact that I'm moving it from one container into another, I can admit to myself that this is not good, but I think it's adorable. And so I'm sorry, I'm just gonna do it. It makes me happy. I feel like just having my fruit like easy to grab will make me want to eat more fruit. Let's open some packages. No, I'm gonna clean the living room first because I need to get that done and I am running out of time. But then after that, we're gonna open some packages. Hi, Milo. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. He's a little scared because there are dogs barking outside the door. Honestly, I think they attacked each other. I have my carpet cleaner all set up. I like to use this on my carpet once a week because I have 2 cats. And although cats are like the cleaner of the animals, they're still animals. I don't want my apartment to smell like cat, so I like to clean my carpet. I don't know if this is like too much, but I still, you know, it makes me feel better to do this. So this is why I like to clean it once a week. It's honestly so easy. And you know, in a few passes, I'm basically done, but it does come out dirty every single week. And so if you're not cleaning your carpet, make sure you do that. I have my little cart of packages. I'm pretty sure I know what this is because they told me that they were gonna send in, they made me pick out what I wanted, but I don't know why it's in 3 separate boxes. I'll probably figure that out once I open it. My first package is from Women's Best. This is their new release. Yeah, so this just came out. It's probably out by the time, I don't think it's out yet. So this isn't out yet. It might be out by the time you guys see this video, depending on when I decide to post it. This is their Power collection. I've never worn Power ever. I normally just wear the Define collection because I feel like it flatters me the most. I've never even tried on the Power collection, but it does have like a thicker waistband. Ooh, I didn't even know how thick this waistband was. I don't think I have anything from the Power collection, but I typically avoided it because it didn't have a scrunch, but now they do have a scrunch, and then the waistband is pretty mighty. I'm gonna try it on and see how I feel and give you guys like my honest opinion. If you see me wearing it in like a workout video, it means I liked it. That's just what I have to say. If I only wear what I like. I know you guys like think, oh, I'm sponsored by Women's Best, like I'm just gonna promote everything. There's a lot of stuff that I just never promoted. I never really told you guys about because again, I only wear what I like. I only use what I like. If I don't like it, I'm not telling you guys about it, and that's just that. There's really nothing wrong with this except I've never tried it, and I've never tried it because it didn't come with the scrunch, but now that it does, I think I'll give it a try because I actually like this color. I think I like the shorts more than the leggings, but we'll see when I try it on, and then I'll let you guys know. And then the bra, I like that they send me everything all in the same color, so they sent me like 2 sets. I actually like this bra because I like a good backless moment. It's not entirely backless, but you know, it's like a halter neck. To me, this is backless. I know like we call this a halter neck. This is pretty backless to me. And then just, oh wait, this is a shirt. Okay, let's see. I love, okay. And then so, you know what I love that I don't think they've done, like they've been doing? Normally Women's Best tops do not have like thumb holes. And I just love a top with a good thumb hole, and I think this is the first time. I need to double check, but I honestly think the first time they did it was with the BBL jacket, the Define full zip, and now their shirts come with thumb holes. Like their shirts never came with thumb holes. Never. From my knowledge, their shirts never came with thumb holes. Now that they have it, I'm a little bit more excited. I think I might try this and give it like a fair shot. I think I need to give this collection a fair shot. Okay, and then the leggings, and then also the top in that same color. I think they came out with new colors. I don't know, you guys. I think I might like this one. It depends on how the leggings look on my body, but I saw some of the other athletes wearing it and it looked so cute. So I think I'm ready to try this Power collection out. I'm mostly a Define girly, but this might be my new favorite, especially since they came out with red. Oh, I love a good red. Okay, if you do end up shopping Women's Best, I do have a code. It is code Soraya for supplements and clothing. No pressure to purchase, but if you do want to support, that is my code. And yeah, moving on. This, I'm pretty sure, I'm actually excited for this because when I first moved into my apartment, I bought a bunch of cookware and they're all ruined. I moved in probably a few months ago. I moved in like 7 months ago, and I got all my cookware from Amazon. And literally 2 weeks later-ish, all the cookware was basically ruined. Pretty sure this brand is really good. Why am I using this? You know, maybe that's why my cookware is ruined, because I do stuff like open boxes with like eating knives. Okay, my camera died and we're just moving on from that. This is actually, wait a minute. I've never tried this before. I know it's a good brand because one pot is like $130. So how do I get this opened? Oh, awkward. Okay, this is insane. My camera keeps dying, so I kind of unboxed everything else, but this is insane. This feels good. It's $100 and something, so it better be. Like, it better be for that price point. I thought this was gonna be deeper. I guess not. I can make like little omelets and stuff. And then the lid fits on both of them, which is great. My one and only complaint, I think this is amazing. It feels amazing. It feels expensive. This is a knife. And this knife came in a massive box. I think that's a little bit unnecessary. Oh. Color reminds me of, you know, like The Mask, like the guy with the green mask and turns into this little character. It kind of looks like that. Hold on. Okay, like that color. You guys can't see very well. It's $100 and something knife. I've never owned a knife this expensive in my life, and I'm scared to touch it because I feel like it's gonna stab me. Let me put this away. I'm really excited to use this. At this price point, I hope it cuts my vegetables for me.
Me love my energy, strip me no chaser. All of my guys know me all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me, me no chaser. I be a body commando. I put the body in, so I will never be your pato. I will be there. You got the body so sick, and red passata give you dick. Girl, with happy money like click. Be the heartbeat of my heart, though. My heart, you got the body so sick.
I finished cleaning and immediately ordered takeout. Honestly, the last thing I want to do is make dinner. I ordered ramen and Szechuan wings. The last time I had ramen was in December. I typically do not eat out that much, maybe like once or twice a week. But when I do, it's always exciting. I feel like I'm treating myself right now because I haven't had ramen since December. It's my most favorite thing in the entire world, and I can eat so much of it. But as someone who goes to the gym and tries to eat healthy, I realize that I'm never gonna be healthy if I keep eating ramen. So I just kind of had to cut it out my diet, and now it's like a treat rather than something I would eat regularly. And so I'm so excited. My mouth is watering right now. I wish I was able to take you guys along a more typical reset. Normally I would do so much more, and there's so much more that I have to do. A lot of organizational stuff that I didn't get a chance to do at all. But I just had a horrible week. I had a horrible day, and I know tomorrow they're gonna come in and build my closet. So I know content creators like to pretend like their life is always perfect, but it's not always perfect. And sometimes you just wanna do the bare minimum and chill. And today was one of those days for me where I just did like the minimum of what I felt like I needed to do. Everything else is gonna wait until I am ready. And that's not like, it's not the end of the world, but I'm going to enjoy my takeout and just have a chill night because I know this coming week is going to be crazy for me. I have a lot going on. My program is coming out. They're gonna come and fix the wall tomorrow. And just a lot is happening, and a lot that I can get excited for, a lot that I can feel grateful for. So I'm just gonna enjoy my afternoon. I'm gonna enjoy my ramen. I'm so excited for this ramen. You guys have no idea how much I love ramen, and I'm just gonna hang out. I think I'm gonna watch K-drama. I started a new one yesterday. Amazing, 10 out of 10. If you like K-dramas and you have any recommendations, please leave them below. I think I've seen probably almost everything that's been out, but just in case, leave them below. And I hope you enjoyed spending time with me. If you guys do want to see a more typical reset, or if you want to see like a longer video, I try and keep my videos around 11 to 15 minutes just because I feel like you guys are not going to want to see me talk for that long, but it's getting a little hard. I feel like my videos should be a lot longer, and they can be a lot longer if you guys want them to be, but yeah, let me know, because I'm dying to show you guys more of me and more of my life. I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me, because I enjoyed spending time with you, and I will see you next week.